Here's how this works. Water, salt, and pepper, those are freebies. Your pantry, it better have flour, oil, vinegar, mustard, and garlic. Beyond that, you'll only need 5 more ingredients and 25 minutes to put an entree or entire meal on the table. So, shop, set the clock, and let's dish out. All right, we're going to grab some cherry or grape tomatoes, some fresh mozzarella cheese, some basil pesto. Try and grab the refrigerated stuff if you can. Tastes a little bit fresher. Some balsamic vinegar glaze. And then I have some naan bread, but any kind of pre-baked flatbread will do just fine. We're going to grab some olive oil from the pantry and spread a couple tablespoons of that out over a baking sheet. By the way, preheat your oven to 450 degrees with convection if you have it. Lay down a couple of our flatbreads. Spread over some of that pesto. Make sure you get a nice even coverage from edge to edge. Once that's done, we will tear on a few pieces of mozzarella. And for the tomatoes, depending on their size, you can either cut them in half or into quarters. Just make sure to spread those out evenly over the flatbread. We'll of course want to season it with salt and fresh cracked pepper. Don't go crazy with the salt because the pesto has a good bit in it, but that mozzarella definitely needs some seasoning. We're going to throw this in that 450 degree oven for about 8 to 10 minutes or until that bread is golden brown and delicious. That pesto is bubbling, the cheese is melted, and those tomatoes are just blistered and softened. I'm going to grab some fresh basil since it's in the pesto and put it down as a garnish. Of course, that's optional. And finally drizzle over that sweet and tangy balsamic glaze. We'll go ahead and cut this up into a few pieces, and this is an awesome little afternoon snack or a light meal if you pair it with a side salad. Caprese salad exists because all those flavors of the mozzarella, tomato, and basil work so wonderfully well together, and of course, popping it onto a crusty piece of flatbread, you know it's only going to make it better. Get that nice golden brown crunchy bottom since we put that nice layer of olive oil on there. Nice and golden brown. And that vinegar reduction just ties everything together so well. This is a great quick meal if you're in a hurry and don't want to do a lot of cooking. Highly recommend it. Go give it a try and let me know what you think. And as always, go make something delicious.